How to install Kevin's Concealment Gun Pocket. This video covers the gun and phone pocket combination made to be used in pants. The first step before installation is to custom fit the pocket to the gun it will be used for. Begin by placing the unloaded gun inside the pocket. Push it upwards to where the butt end is snug against the stiffened lips, but without pushing them apart. Press the pocket flat around the bottom edges and the muzzle of the gun. Use a marker to mark where the line of stitching will go, taking care not to make it too tight of a fit. If the pocket is being taken or shipped to a sewer for installation, this should be done in advance. Sew a line of stitching down the line. With that done, if you want, you can trim the excess length of the pocket. Or if you leave it untrimmed, you can reconfigure it for a different gun or other purpose later by removing the line of stitching and putting a new one in. Next step is to cover the outside phone pocket with fabric matching the garment. First, if needed, you can shorten the phone pocket on the bottom end to fit the phone of the user. Then, start the wrap at the top of the pocket, where you will find the top inch of the sides of the pocket are left unstitched. This is to allow you to fold the covering fabric over the top edge, or to match it to the top edge, and then stitch all the way across the top edge. With that done, wrap the fabric around the sides and bottom of the phone pocket and stitch around the sides and bottom edges. Note that the outer panel of the phone pocket is not made to lay flat, it's made to be a little baggy. The next step is to install the slit liner patch. This is needed to make the edges of the slit look clean. Place the patch on the outside of the garment with the marked line in the location where the slit will be. Stitch around the inside and outside of the line with about a 1/4 inch space between the stitching lines. Cut through the fabric in between the stitching lines. On the ends of the cuts, extend the cuts into the corners of the stitching to allow the patch to pull through more completely while taking care not to cut the stitching. Pull the patch through the hole, turning it inside out, and push out the sewn edges fully, especially in the corners. Press the patch flat against the inside of the garment and sew around the outside to hold it flat. The next step is to place the pocket assembly inside the slit and stitch the top edge of the phone pocket to the bottom side of the slit. Slide the phone pocket through the slit up to the fold line. Flip the inside gun pocket up so it's out of the way of sewing the phone pocket. Stitch the top of the phone pocket to the bottom edge of the slit. With that done, stitch the phone pocket to the garment all the way around. Flip the gun pocket back down. Note that the top edge of the pocket is extended upwards. Stitch that top edge to the top side of the slit in the pants on the inside. Then from the top corners, stitch down the sides of the gun pocket past the ends of the stiffening strips to just a little ways past the slit in the pants. Leaving the gun pocket unstitched below that point helps keep the gun and phone from pulling together too tightly, and also allows you to remove and replace the line of stitching to custom fit the pocket for something else different in the future. That's it. The installation is now complete.